Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are comparing the military power of Israel and Yemen in 2026. Country: Israel. Yemen. Commander-in-Chief: Isaac Herzog. Rashad al-Alami. Active military personnel: about 170,000. About 170,000. Reserve personnel: about 465,000. Limited reserve forces. Defense budget: around $30 to $35 billion. Around $2 to $3 billion. Military rank, global. One of the strongest in the Middle East. Limited military capability. Air Force: highly advanced and modern. Very limited Air Force. Fighter aircraft: about 340 plus. Very few operational aircraft. Military helicopters: about 140 plus. Limited helicopter fleet. Aircraft carriers: 0. Naval ships: around 60 plus. Small naval fleet. Submarines: about 5. 0. Main battle tanks: about 200 plus. About 1000 plus, mostly older models. Armored vehicles: large advanced fleet. Mixed conventional fleet. Nuclear warheads: undeclared capability. None. Ballistic missiles: advanced missile defense and strike systems. Ballistic and drone missile capability. Military satellites: advanced military satellite capability. No military satellites. Overall military strength. Leading Middle Eastern military power. Regional military force. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Globe Comparison 2.0.